What's up, guys? Basically, this video is about explaining the difference between SEO and online marketing. Okay, I got the ghost cam for no reason at all, really. SEO is a part of online marketing. Okay, online marketing is exactly what it sounds like. Online marketing is marketing your product or service online. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay, so SEO is more so like optimizing Google specifically, also YouTube, search engines. Really, any type of search engine, because it's search engine optimization. So that could be Amazon, YouTube, again, Google. Those are probably the big ones. Bing. But if you understand Google or just basic search engine optimization, you can optimize all these because pretty much all search engines work alike. I'm not gonna say the same, but they work alike. Okay, so that's really the difference. And internet marketing can be social media marketing, email marketing, um, like Google Ads. So that's more of like a broad spectrum, whereas SEO is a part of email marketing. Or I'm sorry, a part of online marketing. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that explains it. Um, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. But like, this is an 8 SEO. Back again, back to winning. You know what I'm saying? Peace out. Is that a ghost? I'm just got y'all. Ghost vibes. All right, y'all.